we really look to make sure that all of our folks are ready in the case of a catastrophe like Hurricane Irma. We don't look at training as an event, as a one-time class that you go to. We look at it as a process. The process starts with all employees in the entire company going through training on empathy and process and how to really be there for our policyholders in a time of need and understand what it is they're going through so that we know how to best serve them when needed.
That's why we're here.
That's why we're here.
That's why we're here.
That's why we're here.
I think we're more prepared than anybody else regarding any catastrophe that comes along.
Other insurance companies send an adjuster. We send the rapid response team to come and help you out in your time of need.
They're leaving right now.
People's Trust policyholders benefit by the affiliation between Rapid Response Team and People's Trust Insurance Company. It's a seamless process between the insurance company and the repairs the Rapid Response Team provides. In the event of a hurricane, Rapid Response Team has a catastrophe plan that we put into place. It's a plan that is developed throughout the course of the year to provide maximum coverage for each and every policyholder.
The Rapid Response Team has been the best part of the process because they were really efficient.
So as a storm approaches, RRT will start moving people, trucks, equipment, and supplies to their 10 locations around the state, so that way when the storm hits, they can immediately respond to emergency situations.
People are so happy when you show up.
Yeah, they are.
Just to get some relief to take this off of their house.
During Hurricane Irma, it was the small details that made the big difference for our policyholders. We were affected across the entire state. When a policyholder was in need, we were there for them.
It was about 2 in the morning. We heard a massive boom, and it woke the whole house up. Looked outside this window, and we could see the tree was pretty much split in half. So we waited the next morning and came out and just saw this massive damage and what it did to the house.
That's why we're here.
That's why we're here.
That's why we're here.
We are out there with people, with trucks, with generators, and we make sure that our insured have the necessary means of continuing their lives.
It's all new to them, you know, They don't know what to expect or what's happening, you know. I just know they're relieved when you guys and we show up.
Yeah.
That's why we're here.
That's why we're here.
That's why we're here.
We're there on the spot to take care of their needs.
Phenomenal job.
In my role as Director of Customer Service and Training, I have the overall responsibility to make sure that our call center is properly prepared to be there for a time of need for all of our policyholders and to make sure that everybody has the training that they need to be able to serve our customers and our policyholders in the best way possible.
That's why we're here.
That's why we're here.
That's why we're here.
After the storm, we're there for you immediately. We have materials, supplies, trucks, emergency generators, roof tarps, everything you need to recover from the storm immediately. We're there for you.
Great service. Fast. Got here real quick. They did a good job.
Every preparation we make is centered around putting our policyholders first.
They got out there, they looked at the roof, they patched the roof to make sure there's no more damage, and they did a wonderful job.
We make sure that our employees, their families, and their homes are prepared first, so that we can all give our full attention to helping our policyholders when they need us most.
We actually had a crew who spent the weekend here to be sure that we would be able to get to the office on Monday morning after the storm had passed so that we can answer the calls and get to our policyholders as quickly as they needed.
It's simply a better way.
Thank you so much.
Very nice.
I appreciate it. Thank you for coming out.
No problem at all.
Nothing is more important than our policyholders.
They were just great. They kept me calm. You know, they really did a good job cleaning that up.
Disaster strikes quickly, and so does Rapid Response Team and People's Trust Insurance Company.
It's simply a better way.